Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect winter set, then you need to check this one out. This is by HINDAWI, and this is a really soft and plush set that you can use all winter long. The set comes with this scarf as well as with this gorgeous hat and tech gloves. The hat as well as the scarf are made with an acrylic fabric on the outside that is really beautifully detailed. You can see up close it has that gorgeous pattern on it, but the inside is super fuzzy and warm, making this the perfect set for all winter. I really like that this set looks good whether you pair it up with a really pretty fancy jacket or if you're going with a more casual look and just going for a walk outside. I also really like the tech gloves, which work well with all of my screens, so that if I'm out going for a walk, I can very easily check my device if needed. I really love that this set is really warm. The gloves are nice and thick, making my hands feel like they're well protected. And you can also just swap it out and just use the hat if you want to just use that, or combine everything for a super cute warm winter look. But that's just my point of view.